Improvise, you got it.
I'm not the best.
You can find love.
I want to bring my light.
My name is Monsura.
Christians will pray because ultimately God is God, right? So.
Hello everyone, good evening. I want to thank you all for coming out tonight. My name is Monsura Lawal. I'm the daughter, the eldest daughter of the celebrants. I want to wish my mom a very, very happy birthday. Wishing you many, many happy returns in good health, long life, prosperity. Everyone here that's gathered is here to celebrate you, here to attend a joyous occasion, and I am so, so honored and excited to be here by your side celebrating this milestone birthday. We thank God, and once again, many more happy returns. I love you.
Thank you. You're nice.
Hi, this is Brianna Dance, and I am one of Tola's best friends and one of your honorary daughters for the weekend. So happy birthday, Mrs. Lawal. I hope that you enjoy this birthday. This is an amazing event. I already told you that you're going to be my event planner for all events going forward. And I just hope that you have a day filled with love, happiness, celebration, and that this next year finds you well.
Thank you.
Through the Haja Baristas group. That's how I know her. With my wife, my wife has been one of their members. And since I know her, ever since I know her, she's been so nice. She always carry everybody along. The barista legacy group and the other group they are doing, they also doing the charity with it, and it's all nice anyway. He's a very good woman. I wish her happy birthday, more years of happiness to come, long life and prosperity with good health by the grace of God.
Thank you.
My name is Monsura.
Louder.
Okay.
Louder.
My name is Monsura Lawal. I just want to wish you celebrate, many more years in good health, happiness, long life, and prosperity.
I've known her for well over 40 years. We went to high school together. Yeah, so it's been a minute. One thing that strikes me every single time is when you get her on the phone, if you're sad, you're gonna get off that phone happy. She has a great sense of humor and she has the fear of God. And she's one of those people, even though she's by religion, she's a Muslim, she's not afraid to tap into praying, the way that Christians will pray, because ultimately God is God, right? So, and if you're looking for somebody to get anything done, she's reliable. You can pick up the phone and call her and give her a task, especially if it has to do with a party. She'll get it done for you. She's a great organizer. I think that comes from a background being a numbers person. She's very organized and she wants things done in a certain way. Oh my God, I'm overjoyed for her. So we're all kind of in the same age group. So I'm in this club as well. And my job it's very demanding, and I live in California, so I had to do it. So I show up here, and I wasn't sure if it was going to happen, so I didn't tell her I was coming. I just texted last night after I checked into the hotel. I was like, I'm here, and she didn't believe it. So it meant a lot to me to be here. So of course, I'm grateful that she was able to reach this milestone. Of course, happy birthday, my dear friend and sister. And my prayer, one of my prayers, is that you live long in good health and that we're all here to celebrate 70 and more. Happy birthday.
Where will I begin? Alright, this is my adopted sister, my barrelicious sister. I know I've known Alhaja right now for 10 years, if I can say precisely. And ever since I know her, she's been a good influence on me. She has, bring me a lot of stuff that I can't even believe I can actually vent into. Alhaja Monsura introduced a lot of charity organizations. She has this heart of giving. She is kind of a person like, you know, every aspect of her life she just want to do for people. She just want to take care of people. She just want to give. She just give. I know this is time for her to receive, and we're all here today to wish her a happy birthday and celebrate her. She's been there for so many people. This is time for her to celebrate, and I'm so happy I'm part of our life today. I'm part of, you know, an 60 years existence in life. So it is my pleasure to be here all the way from Houston, Texas, to be with my sister. Everybody know me and my sister. She always like, you know, calling me. And one thing about her that I so really love about her, she's so really polite. She's almost as my mom's, you know, she can be older as my mom, but she never for once called me by my name. It's always Sister Lola, Sister Lola. That is something that I emulate from her. You know, my sister, I wish you so, you know, many happy returns, long life and prosperity. May Almighty Allah, you know, increase you in everything, enlarge your coast, and, you know, wish you good health, sound health. We're gonna celebrate 70, 80, 90, 100. We're gonna be together for a long time. And I'm really happy to be here today. I'm ready to celebrate. I'm ready to party. You know, I bring the party, come from Houston, and we're gonna party from today to tomorrow. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Alhaja Monsura, what will I say? Okay, I could remember the first time I came into America. I didn't know, as in I've not met her one-on-one. I've not seen her. She only heard about me. I knew her through my dad, my late dad, Alhaji Mojit Maya Bikon. I knew her through my dad, and it was just the name. Just asked for Alhaja Monsura, and it was it. The next thing I heard was she sent me a check all the way from New Jersey down to Houston, Texas. She hasn't met me, as in she only heard my voice, just like, oh, you're a daughter to Alhaji Moji, and that was it. Since then, she has been like, what will I say, any little thing, Bimbo, how are you, where are you, how are you doing, how are you coping? And she has been so good, so nice. And guess what? She decided to say she adopted me. Oh, what a very loving thing to do. She's a very nice woman, loving, caring. Oh man, she's just so good. I am so happy coming all the way from Houston, Texas to celebrate with her. I wish her a long life, a prosperity life, in good health, in good vibes. Happy birthday, Alhaja Monsura. I love you so much with all my heart. Happy birthday once again.
My name is Ademola Adeshigbe, one of the Barrister Fans Club member. Alhaja Monsura is one of our notable member, prominent member I can say, participating actively in all our program for Dr. Secure and Barrister since he passed away. He's a gentlewoman, a mother figure in our society. All of us, we have a deep and sincere respect for her. On this occasion of his 60th birthday, I wish her many more glorious years ahead. Success all the way.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ready to do some singing. Okay. So what we're going to do now, because we want to take advantage of the time before we go to our boat. So we are going to come around. Those of you that would like to sing a song, we are going to enter into the iPad. When it's your turn, we will call you up to entertain us for the evening. Is that all right? Again, how this will work. If you would like to sing a song, please raise your hand. We'll come to you. Enter the song. When it's your turn, you will come up to perform. Okay? So hopefully we're able to get everyone. You know, everyone wants to shine. Everyone wants to perform. So make the most of the next 25 minutes. Okay? So please, if you want to sing, just do like this. Raise your hand so we can come to you. Thank you. It's okay, so we'll come back. Okay, we'll come back. Don't disappoint. Okay, come back. I'll do thank you. I'll come back. Thank you. Stop traffic. Stage name. And also stage name. But the lot of them were don't be scared. Entertained. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some really great performers ready for you all. I hope you brought your listening ears and your singing voices. So without further ado, we have a very special group of ladies coming to sing their own song, their own rendition. They call themselves the Three Sisters, also known as the Three Dancing Ladies. They're going to be singing two songs. Please give them a nice warm welcome. Please rise. Come to the stage. They'll be singing one song first, then the next song next. Please, ladies, come on up. Okay, once again, joining us on the stage, we have the Three Sisters, the Dancing Ladies. They'll be singing two songs for us. Special song number one. Oh, okay. Just two. I gotta love my sisters with me. We are family. I gotta love my sisters with me. We are family. Hello, we are three sisters. Three sisters. Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah, Once again, thank you so much, three sisters. That was very lovely. Thank you. All right. So up next, we have a next performance by someone who calls themselves Prince. He'll be singing "Hero" by Mariah Carey. Please, Prince, give him a nice warm of applause. Yes.
today. I traveled all the way from London, and when I was approached, I felt like saying something. I wish to congratulate the celebrant, and I'd like to wish her happy birthday, long life, in good health. I pray that this time next year, you will have a reason to rejoice. You have a reason to be grateful to God. My son is so simple. He's from Africa, Nigeria. And he's going to be in your back. Please enjoy it.
For your beautiful performance and words. Okay, we're moving this show right along. We have up next, Upside Down. Upside Down by, Alhaji Mujidat and Auntie Lola. Please come to the stage.
Turn me
yet today will be singing I'm Coming Out by Diana Ross. I mean, please give Auntie a round of applause. Don't be shy. Maybe she's preparing her voice. Shall we call someone next? Okay, don't worry. We'll call you back. Okay, we're going to skip Auntie for now. When we come back, please don't disappoint. We're ready to hear your voice. Okay, so up next, we're going to be calling to the stage the International Ladies. They will be singing their own rendition of Jerusalem. Yes, nice warm round of applause, the International Ladies.
No, that's
International ladies. Thank you so very much for gracing our stage. Okay, up next, we have a performance by Mama PJ, The Finest by SOS. And she'll be bringing a backup dancer, a very special dancing queen to the stage. Please, Mama PJ, please come to the stage. Don't be shy. Yes, give her a nice welcome. Mama PJ and the dancing queen.
The Finest.
start giving out prizes for the most entertaining song. Thank you so much, aunties. Okay, so as you can see, this party is really rolling. We are getting some people warmed up. People are getting comfortable doing their dance, doing their song. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to have 2 more performances before we have to depart. So maybe we'll bring the fun on the boat with us. Is that all right? Is that okay? I need to hear some noise. Is that all right? Okay, there we go. So up next, without further ado, we have a very special poem by my sister. She will be performing a beautiful poem for Mommy. Please come to the stage, Monsura Lawal.
Hello everyone. Another round of happy birthday to my dear Mommy. This is Phenomenal Woman by Maya Angelou. It is...
Sorry, please, this is a very special moment. We would like everyone to listen. We have a very, very beautiful poem that my sister will read. So please, everyone, just lend a few minutes. If you could quiet down. If you could quiet down, please. Thank you.
This is Phenomenal Woman by Maya Angelou. It is dedicated to my dear mother. Pretty women wonder where her secret lies. Not cute or built to suit a fashion model size. But when I start to tell them, they think I'm telling lies. I say, it's in the reach of her arms, the span of her hips, the stride of her step, the curl of her lips. A woman, phenomenal woman, that is she. She walks into a room just as cool as you please. And to a man, the fellows stand or fall down on their knees. Then they swarm around her, a hive of honeybees. I say, it's in the fire of her eyes, and the flash of her teeth, the swing in her waist, and the joy in her feet. A woman, phenomenal woman, that is she. Men themselves have wondered what it is they see. They try so much that they can't touch her inner mystery. When I try to show them, they say they still can't see. I say, it's in the arch of her back, the sun of her smile, the rise of her chest, the grace of her style. A woman, phenomenal woman, that is she. Now you understand just why her head is not bowed. She doesn't shout or jump about or have to talk real loud. When you see her passing, it ought to make you proud. I say, it's in the click of her heels, the bend of her hair, the palm of her hand, the need for her care. Because she is a woman, phenomenal woman, my Mommy.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Dam Dam. Okay, folks, so to close out the night here, not for the entirety, but to close out the night here, we have a very special performance. The birthday celebrants would like to sing a song. Okay, so without further ado, I would like to welcome Iyami to the stage, singing one of her all-time favorites, Whitney Houston, Children Are the Future.
That's not the one we there. Oh yeah.
You can now speak any language anywhere in the world thanks to the... This device turns men into beasts. It emulates...
Another ad. Sorry.
Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us of how we used to be. Everybody searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I believe as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because of this, it's happening to me. I found the greatest love for all inside of me. The greatest love of all. It's easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love. I believe the children are future. Teach them well, let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind you of how we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because of greatest love is happening to me. I found the greatest love inside of me. That you've been dreaming of leads you to a lonely place. Find your strength in Thank you all so much. I just have to say one thing. This song is so special to me. It's one of my favorite songs. I tried to sing this song about 10 years ago. I couldn't do it. I broke down crying. Because, look at it. But when I think about my children, they mean the world to me. So that day, Lizzie Palmer, she came to my rescue, her Mrs. Harillo. I'm sure she's still on the way. So please, Lizzie, stand up for the congregation so we can thank you for me. But tonight, I'm feeling all your help. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy, for that beautiful performance. That was amazing. Another round of applause for our superstar. And a big round of applause for all of our performers tonight. So, now, this is just part 1. If you're ready for part 2, I need to hear, oh yes! So we're going to continue on the boat. Don't worry, karaoke machine will be coming with us on the boat. If you did not get to do your dancing and your singing, you can do it on the boat, okay? So please, let's everyone gather your things, gather your belongings. Please don't leave anything behind. We will not be coming back to this room. So we will be going straight to the boat, yes? Please put on your dancing shoes. And your dancing, anything else? Everything else, okay, yes. We'll see you on the boat.